in Zamboangan, kay tiene mga gente quiere sacar con el Zamboanga, because there are people who want to get Zamboanga. So, as mayor, as mother, as sister, as daughter, I assure them, para kato ini Zamboangan, para kanyo ini. Bukun kita idihil para gawong tao, magtabang-tabang kita kanyo. Di atun el Zamboanga, para de ustedes este. No más kita permiti otro saka con el di atun syudad, man ayudahan kita. Zamboanga is ours. Zamboanga is for our children. We shall not allow other forces to reign in our city. Let's help each other. Let not devastation creep in our hearts. Zamboangueños are bigger than this. We shall fight for justice. We shall rebuild this city. We shall come out stronger after all this. I remain inspired that our Nuestra Señora, La Virgen del Pilar, looks upon us, and that the Almighty Father will help us rise above the crisis. We remain under one flag, one Philippines, one Zamboanga. Vaya con Dios a todos.